Hi everyone, my name is Katie McCarville. This upcoming school year, I will be a fourth grade teacher at Midtown Academy, which is located in Pinellas County. My husband and I recently moved to St. Petersburg, Florida, so this upcoming year will be a new adventure for me. In my introduction, I will share some personal and professional insights, a memorable diversity and equity issue, and then my most favorite and least favorite aspect of engaging diversity and equity issues. So to start, I graduated from the University of Florida with my undergraduate degree in elementary ed and then also my master's degree in elementary ed. Go Gators. Right after I graduated, I began teaching in Sarasota, Florida as a fourth grade English language arts and social studies teacher. I went ahead and started taking classes for my gifted endorsement because I knew that gifted education was what I was really interested in. So after 2 years in the general education role, I moved into the fourth grade gifted and advanced role. It just really confirmed my love of working with this population and actually inspired me to start this program. Next year, I will be teaching fourth grade in a gifted magnet program. I'm really excited about this opportunity. The county that I am going to be working in next year is a little more forward looking with their gifted programming, and they seem to be looking at the most current research to help guide their curriculum and how they support gifted learners. A memorable diversity and equity issue for me was really just having my eyes opened to how students from diverse backgrounds or economically disadvantaged backgrounds are so severely underrepresented in gifted programs. I didn't realize how much of a discrepancy there was, and I just didn't realize it was such a big issue. So that's something that I always keep in the front of my mind and am aware of, and I work to advocate for those students so that they're more appropriately represented in our gifted programs. My favorite aspect of diversity and equity issues is to be an advocate for these students because I have been exposed to this research and I have been learning with other peers who are passionate about gifted education and well informed about gifted education. I am becoming a lot more confident in my ability to advocate for these students, particularly those who come from diverse backgrounds. My least favorite aspect of diversity and equity issues is the lack of understanding that I have run into with some of my coworkers. A lot of times I hear comments like, oh, you have the easy class, or oh, you don't have to worry about your students, which I just think is a really unfortunate misconception about gifted students. I think that all teachers should have an understanding of gifted education and gifted learners just so that they can identify these students and help service these students. One thing that I'm really excited about is that the school that I will be teaching at next year is actually requiring all of their staff to be gifted endorsed, which I think is fantastic because then as a school, we will be able to better meet our gifted students' needs.